Hi guys! Where is my makeup look? Hello! Yan. Hi everyone, good morning! I'm about to do my makeup. Sasamahan niyo muna ako kasi wala akong kausap. Wala si Ate Tess today. May taping. Oops, sorry. So, I'm gonna do my makeup. And you guys join me. Hello! Baliktad? What's baliktad? What did I baliktad? Okay. Hindi ako mahanap ng makeup ko. Nasa stress ako. Hi guys! Good morning! Kanina yung camera nakabaliktad, yeah. Kasi nakabaliktad yung phone ko kanina. Someone asked, hi, do you do your own? Ate ka! I miss you! See you soon! Hi from Quezon City. Hi, Kim! Ayan. Yes, Lemon, asan ka na? Oh my God, Zara One! Hello, my favorite local brand, bag brand. I love. Hi guys, good morning. So, eto na. Mag-makeup tayo today because I am gonna be on Showtime. Oh, hello to my friends from Luxcent Official. May go-to pag naghahanap ako ng pabango na mahirap hanapin. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a BB cream. So, my favorite BB cream is from I White Korea. So, ganyan kadami guys. Kasi kakalat-kalat ko na siya everywhere. So yeah, today I'm doing my own makeup kasi si Ate Tess ay may taping ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre, kailangan niyang gawin yun. Ayan. So, mamaya na tayo mag-brush. Kakamayin ko muna. So, kanina nag-alcohol muna ako, diba, bago ako nag-makeup kasi watching from Bohol, oh my God, I miss Bohol so much. Sana ampunin na ako ng bayan ng Bohol. Wow, inampun ng bayan. I love Bohol. Bohol is my favorite, it's my happy place right now. Parang feeling ko forever, hindi right now. Pag nasa London ako, tapos nag-iisip ako ng sarap mag-beach ngayon, lagi naisip ko Bohol. Ayan. So, ganyan-ganyan lang muna, pahit-pahit. So, bago ako nag-BB cream, nag-sunblock na ako sa bahay kanina. Kasi kahit nasa loob lang tayo, malakas yung ilaw sa studio. And alam niyo na, baka may UV lights. Nalagyan ko ata, nalagyan ko ng foundation yung bangs ko. Oo, meron na. Okay. Ayan. Hala, hindi ka nabasa. Hey, Derek Irene, good morning! I am in ABS-CBN right now. Freezy-Der Philippines! Hello, guys. Freezy-Der is a really good Greek sunblock. Kung ayaw nyo ng mainit, pag linagay ko sunblock, Freezy-Der is the best. Okay, mga tira-tira, lagyan lang muna natin here. Bakit hindi umiikot yung comments? Parang kailangan mo siya i-accept isa-isa. Ganun ba talaga, guys? Or hindi lang talaga ako Gen Z? Nasaan si Kim? So, si Kim ay sa kabilang dressing room, pero parang wala pa siya. Mamaya, puntahan natin pag nandito na siya. Hi, Kuya Homer! Kuya Homer ang aming sound guy. Wala, hindi ko mabasa lahat, guys. I'm so sorry. Hello sa mga taga-Canada, taga-Hawaii, taga-Cebu. Have you tried Wellness Whisper of Miss Danny for hormonal imbalance? I haven't yet because new product ni Danny yan, and she launched it when I was in London. Also, for the longest time, I've been drinking Dear Face beauty milk, and that also really worked for me. That's why, look guys, I don't break out anymore. But this is also 1 year of hard work because before I was breaking out so much. So, ang ginawa ko is good skincare, and then I supplemented it with beauty milk, Dear Face beauty milk, And then, I also drank vitamins. I drank a lot of vitamins and supplements. Okay. So, uy, bumukas ba yung ilaw? Okay. Kung kailan mag-isa ako sa dressing room, tawag dito. Kung napapansin nyo, sobrang pula ng mata ko kasi nag-jet lag pa rin ako, hindi pa rin ako natutulog. So, kagabi, the other day, nakatulog ako na maayos. Kaya sabi ko kakabag sa showtime, finally, nakatulog na ako. Tapos yun, ang aga ko sinabi, binawi ng universe. Ayan, hindi na naman ako nakatulog. So, ito na siya. Ito na siya. Oh, extra grand lavish. Hi guys. Hi Ate Michelle. Sa kanila ako nag-order ng mga cute stuffed toys ko para sa bags. Okay, so ayusin na natin muna to, no? Bago tayo chumika ng chumika. Actually, sobrang bilis ko lang mag-makeup. Ang problema ko later, ako mag-hair sa sarili ko. So, yan. Ginagaya ko lang mga ginagawa ni Ate Tess sa akin. Yeah. Ang dami ko nababasang comments kahit sa Twitter. Every time naman nag-guest ako sa Showtime, lagi ko nababasa yung sana mag-regular ka na sa Showtime. And honestly, I love being on Showtime kasi super saya. Tawa ka lang ng tawa ng 3 hours straight. Para ka lang nanonood ng show, ng comedy show. Tapos, hindi pa ako nagbabayad kasi co-host ako. So, para ako libreng entrance sa comedy club. I enjoy it so much. Tapos, ang dami ko pa natututunan. Kaya ako laging umuoo pag tinatanong nila ako pag gusto kong mag-guest. I always say yes. Pero, this trip kasi umuwi ako dito kasi meron akong gagawin na project. So, syempre, kailangan ko din siyang i-prioritize. So, yun. Pero pag wala ako doon, nandito ako sa Showtime. So, yeah. Ayan. Anong oras na ba? 10:15. Okay, so 1 oras and 45 minutes. Ayan. Sana ma-proud si Ate tas mga pinaggagawa ko today. I think parang ganyan naman yung ginagawa niya sa akin. Alright, ngayon, we need contour. So, I'm using Fenty Beauty. The shade is Mocha. Kung nabasa niyo yun. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Tapos, gagawin natin. So, ayan siya. So, may napanood akong influencer, na makeup influencer. Yes, I'll be on Showtime later. Hindi, parang when you suck in your cheeks, masyado itong mababa pag lagay ko yung contour ko dito. So, parang susundan mo lang yung actual bone structure mo. So, I'm gonna do this and this. Pantay ba, guys? And then, on my nose, I am gonna make a circle. Nababalik si Ate Tess pag napanood nito. And then, parang idudugtong mo lang siyang ganyan. Circle, parang pag gusto niyo yung nose na parang naka-point up. Yun yung technique. Okay. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay i-blend lang natin. Okay, taka lang. When will I see Bean? Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna see Bean on Thursday. If everything goes well. I'm so excited. Kailan mo kami ulit papayakin? Very, very soon. Bakit hindi ngayon? Nagpaiyak sa live. Sa mga naghahanap kay Kim, wala pa siya. Sa kabilang dressing room si Kimmy. So mamaya, pagdating niya, I'm sure maririnig natin. And also, either kakatok ako dun or kakatok siya dito. Ayan. So see, pag linagyan mo siya ng line dito, it's cuter. Okay. So, I'm just gonna keep blending. Ayan. Tigdagan natin kasi walang nangyari masyado. Hi Bella, can you please greet my daughter? Her name is Gal Diana. Hi Gal Diana. Pinangalan ka ba after Gal Gadot? Or Gal Gadot? Enjoy your special day, Gal. I can't greet pag birthdays. I don't know if you guys are aware, but Hindi kasi ako nag-celebrate ng birthday. Pero, when my friends celebrate me, kunwari there's a surprise party, ganyan, or hindi ko alam na mag-celebrate kami, I'm very appreciative and grateful. Pero personally ako, I don't celebrate my birthday. So, nalulungkot ko, I have my own cheek tint brand coming out very, very soon. Naiwan ko siya eh. Naiwan ko sa bahay. Pero okay lang kasi marami akong baon na cheek tint because cheek tint is life. So today I'm gonna use Beauty by Paul Unating. I love Mama Paul. So, ganyan-ganyan lang kasi sobrang pink na to, guys. Ayan. Nagalit na naman yung blush on ko. So, kaya ako tinataas dito para mag-lift yung cheeks ko. And there you have it. Parang kulang tong side na to. Guys, ano pwede kong gawin sa jet lag? Ayaw nyo na talagang bumalik. Okay, dagdagan natin tong side na to kasi hindi siya pantay. Ayan. Oh, hello from Macau. Hi, Paula. Hello, thank
Parang
you so
hirap naman
much.
itong top niya.
Bakit?
How is it? Parang ganito lang siya.
Halter
Kasi
top.
Halter
Oo.
top.
Tapos parang naka-crossover.
Naka-crossover,
Oo.
okay.
Thank you so
Hindi naman
much.
makakitaan ka.
Hindi.
Welcome.
I-secure ko siya later.
Sure po.
Thank you.
Sige, wala sa akin.
Nasa Lavender Fields. May taping siya today.
Shady.
Oo. Kaya ako muna today. Kaya naman.
Go.
Prayers.
Pagkasakit.
May dala akong pangkulot. So ako na bahala mamaya.
Tipid na rin, no?
Actually, oo.
Diba?
Pero sa Saturday nandito siya ulit.
Okay.
Kung wala siyang taping. Kung wala siyang
Yes.
taping.
Wala naman tayong pasok.
Bukas.
Tsaka hanggang Friday.
Correct.
Saturday yung
Correct.
Go,
Thank
go.
you.
You're welcome.
Ayan, pantay naman. So, kagabi guys, may meeting ako, may Zoom ako kahapon. Tapos nagkukantuhan lang kami random. Talaga nagchinika ko din naman. And then yung isang ka-meeting ko, sabi, alam niyo ba yung 12 Monkeys? Kasi medyo hindi siya lumaki sa Philippines. So, do you guys know 12 Monkeys? Sabi ko, yeah, I always go there, ganyan. Kasi dati na nakatira ko dito, pag may gig sa 12 Monkeys, nanonood talaga ako. Tapos, sabi ko, yun nga. Parang, yeah, I used to go there a lot. And then, sabi niya, okay, kasi Rico Blanco and Itchy Worms is playing today. Sabi ko, okay, tapos na tong meeting na to, magkita-kita tayo sa 12 Monkeys. So, we went to 12 Monkeys. And I watched Rico Blanco perform last night. And Kuya Jugs is so galing. Nanood ako ng Itchy Worms. So, yeah. Hi to everyone from San Francisco, California. So, yun lang naman yung kwento ko. Gusto ko lang i-share na nanood ako ng gig kagabi. And I was so happy. Okay, this is Loose Powder by Givenchy. So, itak-tak. Itak-tak. Hello from Karkar, Cebu. Oh my God, sobrang sarap ng lechon sa Karkar. Yan ang TV show love team name namin dati ni Coco. Karkar. Cardo and Carmen. Ayan. Okay, so ikalat-kalat na natin. So, pag ganitong live show, I don't like wearing powder like mga MAC na powder, makakapal. Nagaganito lang ako, loose powder lang kasi para after ng show, kahit pumunta pa akong mall or something, okay lang kasi hindi makapal yung makeup ko. Also, ganito rin sa taping. Sa taping hindi na ako nagko-concealer or BB cream. Lalo na pag puro iyakan yung eksena. Love your interview po with JC. So inspiring. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Please watch it if you haven't. JC is one of my nicest and also smartest friends. So kung gusto niyo ma-inspire about life, about working hard, JC is the guy. The guy. It's on my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Okay, so may nagtanong ano yung rare beauty blush ko. Today I used Beauty. And this shade is... Hindi ko alam. Hindi nakalagay. Basta, isa lang yung ganito, yung dark pink. It's Beauty by Paul Unating. But I do have Rare, because as I said, cheek tint is life. And my shade is Grateful. I don't know if you can read it. And then, may isa pa akong favorite na blush. Papakita ko sa inyo later kung bakit. This is Absidy. And the shade is Lover. Ayan. Okay, may nagtatanong kanina kung may bago akong sinusulat. Yes. Pero hindi ko siya matapos-tapos. Hirap na magsulat nowadays. Ayan, okay. So, ngayon, malinis na yung mukha natin. Maayos na yung foundation natin. Sobrang sweet ng team ng Freezy Derm Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. So, Freezy Derm, like I was saying kanina, is a Greek sunblock brand. Sobra siyang protective sa face. Love your nails. Thank you so much. This is by Achi Mimi. Yun yung mga kaartehan ko pag nasa Pilipinas ako. So, syempre sa London, wala namang gumagawa ng mga ganito. So, dito ko siya pinapagawa. What is your current read right now? Okay, so I'm reading something very light at the moment kasi puro sunod-sunod mabibigat yung binabasa ko. I'm reading You Are Here. Nakalimutan ko sino yung author. It's a very cute love story that is set in the UK actually. And yung dalawang bida, nasa 40s na sila. Okay, so I'm sure may magtatanong. This is water candy tint na binili ko sa parang kanto-kanto in Korea. Ayan. Oo, sobrang naman. Lip tint is life naman sa Korea. And then we're gonna use B by Vanilla Co. Available na to dito sa Pilipinas. May nag-comment ang aga mo. Oo, ayoko nalilate, nasa stress ako. Kaya mas gusto ko na maaga ako, tapos maghihintay na lang ako after. Ayoko yung parang nagmamadali ako or nangangarag ako because wala akong kasama today, wala si Ate Tess. Pero mamaya may kasama ako, taga Viva, one of my besties from Viva. Someone said, You Are Here by who? I don't remember who the author is, so I'm sure if you type it, just write You Are Here book. Like You Are Here 2024, it's a new book. So, yeah. I don't like this question. Someone asked, what is your weight? It's not a nice question, guys. Yeah. Ate Sheila, hello. Hey naman, Kuya Gabby Eigenman, how are you? I miss your face. Okay, teka lang. Bakit ang aggressive ng I miss your face? Okay. So, yung lip liner ko, I will apply it everywhere. So, kaya ako nag-live today kasi masyadong tahimik sa dressing room. And ayokong marinig yung aircon lang. Gusto ko nang may narinig ako. So, ngayon, puro boses ko lang yung narinig ko. Yes, it's You Are Here by David Nichols. Thank you so much. You are correct. So, I have a book version, one of my name. Hello, namatay yung ilaw. Bakit nung dalawa kami kahapon, wala namang ganito. Ngayon mag-isa ako. Ay, talaga naman. Tabi-tabi po. Have you read Before the Coffee Gets Cold? I actually have not, but someone recommended that to me recently. So, You Are Here by David Nichols is very light, but it's so cute, so heartwarming. It was gifted to me by my neighbor, Nicole. And she gave it to me a few months ago. Tapos, nakalimutan ko na binigyan ako ng copy ng book kasi medyo malaki yung pile ko ngayon ng mga books to read. So, parang natabi ko siya kasi meron akong isa pang tinatapos na book nung time na yun. And then, pumunta ako sa bahay ng ate ko outside of London. Binisita ko siya. Wala akong nadalang libro. Usually, pag nagtatravel ako, lagi ako may dalang libro. But this time, nakalimutan ko magdala ng book. So, sabi ko sa ate ko, do you have something I can read? Kasi nung hapon, wala akong magawa. And then, she gave me her copy of You Are Here. So, like, oh my God, I have this book. Tapos hindi ko pa na-umpisahan. Chururut. Tapos sabi ng ate ko, parang, oh, it's so good. You should read it, blah, blah, blah. I love this makeup brush. Look at this. So, ganyan siya buksan. And then, push. This is by Fluff. Ayan. Tawag dito. Tapos binasa ko doon sa garden ng ate ko. I think I posted about that book on my feed. So, binasa ko siya. Tapos, sobrang ganda. So, on my way back home to London, nung nag-drive na ako pa uwi, I decided to download the audiobook. Tapos tuwang-tuwa ako. Sobrang ganda niya. So, pinapakinggan ko yung audiobook. So, ngayon, yun yung current read ko. Ngayon, nadala ko na yung libro finally. Someone asked me, kay Kim ka po ba nakatira? No. The last time I was here, yes, I was renting her place. Meron siyang extra house na dinurent ko kasi, as you guys know, I moved away from the Philippines, which means I also sold my house, my cars, everything. And Kim is always so lovely about this. Like, she always offers for me to stay in her house. But this time, I'm actually staying somewhere close by. Like, somewhere close by. Munti ka naman sabi yung address ko. Ayan. Gawa ka ng video for book records. Alam niyo, gusto kong gawin to, pero kasi ang lalayo na range ng binabasa ko. Parang yan, today, magbabasa ako ng You Are Here, which is life. Tapos bukas magbabasa ako ng Please Look After Mother, which is so depressing and sad but beautiful and also, I don't know, very different. So parang, hindi ko alam kung tama bang mag-reco ako ng book. Okay, sabi, can you tell me what your perfume is? Yes. I'm using Diptyque. This is, I don't remember what scent this is. I just bought this. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, yan yung perfume ko right now. May mahaba akong nababasa kanina pa. Ito, from Rampi or GMN. And I remember going through something tapos nag-reply ka sa PM ko and it means a lot. Thank you for being with your ate. Sobrang comforting ng presence mo. Maybe because you're really an answered prayer. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Naiiyak ako. Nakaka-fragile in the morning. Thank you so much. That's really sweet. I really try to reply pag kaya ko and also pag hindi. Minsan kasi may mga magdi-DM pero nonsense lang. Yung parang dami ko nang inaasikaso sa buhay tapos gusto niyo playtime lang eh. So pag ganun, di talaga ako nag-reply. But when I see na the person contacting me is going through something, I really make it a point to reply. Okay. Have you read Lessons in Chemistry? Yes! I love Lessons in Chemistry and also I love the series. I'm waiting for the next season. Your thoughts about It Ends With Us? I'm not a Colleen Hoover fan. Maybe because I haven't found a book yet na parang I was in the mood when I was reading it. So, hindi ko pa nasasakyan. Parang siguro kailangan ko ng isang book reco ng magandang book ni Colleen Hoover. So, if you guys have recos, let me know. Okay, so my eyeshadow for today will be a lot of different palettes, but we'll start with BLK. This is the Bridal Eyeshadow Palette. So, pinadalan ako ng BLK nung nandito ako last time. At sana mabuksan ko siya at hindi ko masina yung kuko. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like. We're gonna go light today. Dahil naka-black ako, so parang let's start with the light shade. So, ayan. Just all over first, all over my palette, all over my, oh my god, what do you call this? My eyelid, sorry. And also under, just to brighten my eyes a little. Grabe, hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo, pero sobrang pula ng mata ko in real life. Kailangan ko nang matulog. Okay, Bella JC movie ulit. Actually, yes, there was a movie in the works for us, dapat for this year. Pero yun nga, I'm gonna do a project kasi with ABS-CBN very, very soon. So, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko siyang pagsabayin. And si JC din, ang daming ginagawa at the moment. Ayan, so parang kinalat-kalat lang muna natin siya. Try natin tong pink! I-invento ko lang yung mga makeup ko today. Okay, so, ganyan-ganyan lang. Tapos, okay, so ngayon we're gonna follow the crease of my eye na hindi existent today kasi namamaga yung mata ko. Ate Bella, babalik ka pa po ba sa Pamilya Sagrado? Alam ko tapos na ako mag-taping sa Pamilya Sagrado. Sarado na yung kwento ko dun. Sarado Sagrado. Yeah, so my story is finished and also my story is finished. So yeah, yun lang po ang masasabi ko. Okay, so we're gonna go. Parang okay na yung ginawa ko. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Kinalat-kalat ko lang siya, pero parang in-extend ko dito. Okay, panoorin niyo yung left side, ha? So, yan. Diyan lang muna sa crease. Actually, guys, mahilig ako mag-makeup ng pag-work. Like, pag-taping, kasi nabuboard ako. So, diba usually maliligo ka bago pumunta sa set. So, basa yung hair. Pagdating ko sa set, usually basa pa rin yung hair ko. So, habang binoblower ako, nag-uumpisa na ako mag-makeup. para hindi sayang sa oras. Kasi pag taping madalian, like, ang dami eksena. So, para makatulong, mag-save ng time, ako na nag-makeup. Okay, may isa pa akong makeup na sobrang favorite ko right now. So, this is by Fluff. Ang ganda ng lalagyan niya. And then, you just have to slide it. Hindi ko na alam anong side. Ayan, isa-slide mo lang siya, tapos bubukas siyang ganyan. Tapos pwede mo palitan yung laman. Pwedeng iba-ibang colors. So right now, I'm using this for my contour. Tapos gagamitin natin binigay nilang brush. So these are from the same brand. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Someone said, ang ganda ng chemistry namin ni Piolo in Pamilya Sagrado. Thank you so much. I love Peach. He's one of the people I really trust in showbiz. Like not just as an artista, but like as a friend, and in a way parang mentor. Like I'm sure hindi niyo alam, but Piolo was one of the producers of Meet Me in St. Gallen. So I owe him the success also of Meet Me in St. Gallen, and he really parang showed me how much he trusted me with that project. So I love working with PJ. He's one of the nicest guys. By PJ, I mean Papa P. So ayan, i-warm lang natin yung face ko konti kasi sobrang putla. May isa pa akong gustong bronzer. Yes, this is an Aura ring. Oh my God, thank you so much for noticing my Aura ring because napapangitan ako sa kanya honestly. Hindi siya aesthetically pleasing, but it helps me so much. It counts my steps, it counts my, sorry TMI, pero it tells you when your next period is, it tells you your heart rate, it tells you how bad or how good your sleep is. So, dami niyang ginagawa for me. Okay, so ito, gusto ko tong powder na to. Butter bronzer, binili ko to sa Hawaii, and it smells so good. Amoy caramel siya. So, ganyan. Sasaw-saw lang natin. I think they have this na in Sephora. Tapos, talagang kailangan natin ng contour kasi medyo chubby cheeks po tayo. Ano? Ayan. So, ganyan-ganyan lang. So, man, kung tama yung mga pinagkagagawa ko. But it works. So, it's okay. Tapos ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng brush. Dapat pala nila kayo isang brush. Okay. Pagpag na lang natin to kasi naiwan ko yung brush ko. Okay, sabi, where did you buy your ring? You can buy this in the US, the UK, Japan. Wala pa siya sa Korea. Alam ko to kasi one of my Korean friends told me. So, binili ko siya sa John Lewis department store sa London. But I'm sure makakahanap kayo online. How long are you in Manila for? I'm actually gonna be here for a few months. Thank you so much. Wala ka pong PA. So for the longest time, I had one PA. Like forever ko siya PA, si Winnie. And I love Winnie. Para ko na siyang kapatid. Pero nung nag-pandemic, kami magkasama actually nung pandemic. Nung nilipad na ako papuntang London, syempre, I had to let Winnie go kasi hindi ko naman isasama si Winnie sa London. And para maumpisahan niya na rin yung life niya. Alam niyo, ilang beses nang si Winnie came and go in my life kasi nagkaroon ng time na gusto niya mag-aral, gusto niya mag-college. I super supported it. I was like, yes, go for it. What color is your contact lens? I don't wear contact lenses. These are my eyes. Because sobrang dry ng mata ko. May isang time na nag-try ako mag-contact lens. Nung huling uwi ko dito, color blue. Gandang-ganda ako. I really love wearing contact lenses because it like changes your whole face. But my God, sobrang sakit ng mata ko the whole day. So I'm yet to find a good brand of contact lenses. So kung meron kayo reco, please let me know. Any recos for lip therapy? Hindi nagda-dry lips ko pag nasa Manila ako. Pag nasa London ako, yes. So I just use like very basic lip balms like Aveeno or Vaseline, like kung ano available. But yeah, ngayon wala akong dala. So kilay. So as you guys can see, medyo makapal yung kilay ko. Ayan, puro ang kapal ng buhok ng kilay ko. So susuklayin lang natin siya para hindi siya mukhang bagong gising. Oh, bagong gising na kilay. Okay, so ganyan-ganyan, ano? Tapos, this is from Benefit. Okay. Tapos, yung mga parts lang na parang na-overpluck ko or may butas, dun lang ako mag-lalagay. Like, ayan o, may butas dito. parang nasobrahan yung gupit ko the other day kasi ang kapal na ng kilay ko, pa Betty La Fea na. So, ginupit ko siya, pero napasobra. So, minsan may mga ganun talaga akong moments of weakness. Weakness? Ayan. Someone's asking, nasa showtime ba si Ate Karel mamaya? I'm not sure. Hala, bukas na naman yung ilaw. Ayoko na. Paggamit lang po ng dressing room. Tabi-tabi po. Okay. Hindi naman ako naniniwala sa multo guys. So, joke lang din ako. Me and my husband want to name our future daughter Bella because of you. Thank you so much. And dami ko na na-meet na baby Bella, na one Elden. And they always tell me, we named our baby after you because we watched this or we watched that or blah, blah, blah. And dami ko na na-meet na baby Stella na pinangalan nila after isang daang tula para kay Stella. So cute. Okay, so gawin natin yung kabilang side bago ko makalimutan. Ano oras na? 10:30 ah. Marami pa akong oras. Pwede pa akong sumika. So yeah, someone asked if Karel is gonna be here. I'm actually not sure. As we all know, Kay is going through something right now. I hope we can all send her some love. She posted it on her Instagram page. So if you guys can visit her and just say hi or show her our love, let's do that. Because Kay is such a lovely person. I saw her last night. Nung gig nila Rico Blanco and Itchy Worms because she was supporting a friend. It was a fundraiser event. So, dumaan si Kay pero sobrang bilis lang. But yeah, she's doing well. Yeah. Okay. So, I think this is the look. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan dagdagan. But this is my, like, ito yung look ko pag taping. So, parang naninipisan ako ng konti. Maglagay tayo sa ilalim para bumukas yung mata ko konti. So, balik tayo sa pink. Ganyan. Tapos, and then, may napanood akong beauty vlogger. Parang sabi niya, kung gusto mo malaman saan dapat yung eyeliner mo, parang mula sa ilalim, igaganyan mo siya pataas. Tapos yun na yung susundan mo na eyeliner. Diba? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko pa naman nagagawa yun. Thoughts about Celine Song's Past Lives. Ooh, I love that movie so much. Unpopular opinion. I know everyone celebrated Greta Lee's success, and I loved her, and I loved her performance in it. I watched her also on the morning show, like nagagalingan ako sa kanya. But in that movie, ang nag-shine for me is yung dalawang lalaki. Like nalungkot ako na hindi sila masyadong pinromote nung promo no show, movie. But I really loved it. Especially yung line ng husband niya na parang nag-aaral siya ng Korean because you dream in a different language and I wanna know what you dream about. My God, nagdurog ako. Iyak ako ng iyak. Tapos pinanood ko pa to. Nasa Switzerland ako. Dumalaw ako sa Switzerland. Dinalaw ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Si Einer tsaka si Norman. Dinalaw ko syempre. Nanood ako. Parang gabi na yun enough. It was a Thursday na malakas yung ulan. So, yung mood nakisabay sa lungkot ng pelikula. So, paglabas ko ng sinehan, wala naman akong problema nung pumasok ako. Pero nung paglabas ko yun, parang, teka lang, parang bigat ng dala ko. Okay, so, nakita nyo, linagpas ko na pataas, and linagpas ko na pataas. So, ngayon, kailangan ko maghanap ng color, like eyeshadow color that I can put on top para mag-meet sila. So, this eyeshadow is by Glossier. Ay, parang hindi pasok. Brown. Ito by Charlotte Tilbury. Saan po sa US nabibili? Honestly, just go online and type Aura Ring. It's O-U-R-A ring. And I'm sure it will show you like what store near you has it. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. As you can tell, I actually use this quite a lot. Marami na siyang part na parang kulang-kulang. Like me sometimes. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is just the darkest shade. Kasi ako ng black eyeliner na didiliman ako masyado. Bakit? Nakikita ko ba? Okay, so brown. And then, itry natin i-connect yung taas dun sa line na ginawa ko sa baba. Alam niyo, maganda lang pala siya sa cellphone. Pero nung nakita ko yung sarili ko dito sa salamin, parang ang putla ako pa rin. Okay, so makakapalan pa natin. Dito pwede pang show tayo. Masyado siyang light. So, Kaya kami kailangan mag-makeup sa showtime kasi ang lakas ng ilaw. Kasi studio siya. So, pag hindi kami nag-makeup ng maayos, magmumukha kaming mumu. Ayan. So, i-connect lang natin. Connect the lines, hindi connect the dots. Ayan. O, tingnan nyo naman. Oh. There you have it, Mr. Dwavet. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito. Parang pantay ba siya, guys? Alright, so yun lang yung lipstick natin today. Lip tint and lip liner. What do you guys think? Should I wear red lips if I am wearing black today? Also, parang gusto ko na yung hair ko ng ganito. Huwag ko na kayang kulutin. Tinatamad lang. Magkaka-movie ka ba soon? No, I'm doing a teleserye first. Wala si Kim ngayon. No, nandito siya mamaya. Mag-usap kami kagabi. Where did you get your lashes done? This is by New Lounge. I love New Lounge. Okay, so ngayon na medyo parang gusto ko na yung dating ng makeup ko. Mag-iisang layer pa tayo ng loose powder. Just so mag-set lahat. Parang magdikit-dikit lang. Pwede na itong brush na. So, fun fact, hindi ako nag-uulit ng brush pag hindi pa hugas. So, ngayon, like ito, after ng showtime, kunwari lang may trabaho ako bukas, hindi ko nagagamitan itong mga brush na to unless lalabahan ko lahat tonight. Sobrang OC sa brushes kasi yan ang mga malakas maka-breakout, malakas maka-blackheads. My God. Health is wealth. Sabi! Okay. So, ayan. Okay. Masaya na ako sa itsura kong to. Eto na yun. So, ito ay iwan lang natin nakabukas kasi 3 hours yung show. So, dyan lang siya. And, hindi ko talaga alam na gusto kong lipstick tsaka ayos today. Magkulot na nga muna tayo. Gulo nyo kasi guys eh. Wow! Okay. So, mayroon akong suklay. And, ang kulot. So, saksak muna natin. May saksakan dito next to me. Saksakan ng ganda. Charot. ML lang. Joke lang, guys. Okay, so yan. Nasaksak na natin. Turn it on. I'm gonna show you guys how to pull up your hair. So, I'm using Baby Liz. Nakalimutan ko kung ilang inches to. Okay. Aw, thank you so much sa mga nanood ng Sinong May Sala. Kanina pa may nagko-comment ng Sinong May Sala. That's one of my favorite projects that I've done. So, yeah. Bun your hair na lang. Wala po akong dalang mga gamit for a bun. Okay, so. Ipit natin yung taas. Oh, thank you so much. And I won't regret. What? I won't regret admiring you, Ate Bella. Oh, that's so sweet. You deserve the world this year. You have a good heart. Oh, thank you so much. That is so sweet. Filipino film recos. Sure. What do you want? Do you want like recent films or older films or anong klaseng film, anong genre? Because I love a lot of Filipino films, so I can give you a lot of recos. Yes. Sa London ka pa rin naka-base? Yeah, for now. I have a house in London, so kailangan ko siyang balik-balikan dahil, yung mga halaman ko dun, no? Nandun lang sila. I love my London house kasi I have a garden, may puno ako sa likod. Yeah. Nagpapa-hair extensions po. Yes, naka-hair extensions ako right now. Ito lang yung totoong length ng hair ko at the moment, maiksi. But yun nga, since magtateleserye ako soon, kailangan kong mag-hair extensions. Hi, Franco! I miss you! Franco is a friend from LA who's in LA right now, who I met in London. But yeah, hi Franco. Old film recos. Old films. Okay, I love movies by or that star Miss Vilma Santos or Miss Hilda Coronel. There's a really good movie I watched starring Miss Hilda Coronel and Mr. Christopher De Leon. I can't remember the title right now, but I'm sure if you type it, it will come out. And nag-shoot nila in Baguio, and it's a really nice love story. Napakaganda ng shots. Parang ito so ahead of its time, so please watch it. Bakit wala ka pong hair and makeup today? So, yung makeup artist ko, si Ate Des, ang kasama ko sa Showtime everyday. Pero today, may taping siya ng Lavender Fields. So, ayoko naman na masira yung schedule niya. Favorite perfume, Miss Bella? Ang dami kong nakuhang perfume from Lux Scent Official that I love. Like, the Delina is one of my go-tos. Lalo na pag gusto ko lang ng light scent. I use that. Joe by Joe Loves. I really like it. Also the... Wow, ang grabe ng utak ko today. I wanna say it's great, no? Orange and Coriander. No, Lime and Coriander by Joe Loves. I also really, really love. Number 42 by Joe Loves. Yan din, napaka-light. You can mix all these scents together. Kaya ko siya gusto kasi very functional perfume. And I also love this perfume na nabili ko sa airport sa Korea. It's an Italian perfume na hindi ko na mahanap anywhere. It's called Santa Maria Novella. And the scent I love is Firenze. Sobrang bango. Para lang siyang baby cologne. Para siyang Angel's Breath. Naalala niyo ba yung cologne na Angel's Breath? Para siyang ganun, pero perfume version. So, yan. So, gagawin natin, we're just gonna curl it easily. Trending TikTok sinyo sa Baguio nila Ivana. From Sinong May Sala? It's so weird, no? How things trend years after minsan. Like, when I wrote the movie last night, when it came out, we had really good reviews, but we also had mixed reviews. Kasi it's a very sensitive, like the topic of the film is very sensitive. Pero nung nag-pandemic and everybody realized how important their mental health is, biglang magta-trend yung Last Night sa TikTok. So minsan kasi nauuna yung mga project natin sa kung anong uso. Hindi uso, but relevant. So, yeah. Okay. So, ganyan lang. So, as you can see, hindi ko masyadong tinatagalan yung kulot kasi gusto ko parang kalma lang siya. Okay, watch reveal, please. I'm wearing a Cartier watch today. There you go. Have you seen Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang by Lino Brocka? Yes. You know what I love? ABS-CBN remasters old movies. So if you can check online for the digitally remastered films, the quality is so good. Use heat protection. Uy, oo nga, sorry. Wala akong nadalang heat protection dito sa Pilipinas. So, pag nagka-time ako, pag walang work, pupunta ka mall, ano bang magandang brand dito ng heat protection na meron sa Philippines? Kakapa-bleach ko pa naman ng hair ko. So, yeah. Still in touch with Miss Mika. Sinong Mika po? Because I know a lot of Mikas. Let me know. Favorite bags po. I have a current favorite bag. You know what's funny? I love tote bags. Like, walang brand na tote bags. Yan yung go-to bag ko, lalo na sa London. Kasi minsan hindi safe maglakad with a designer bag in London. But currently, my favorite is this bucket bag from Dior that I bought. Kasi ang dami niyang nalalagay na laman. I like big bags kasi marami akong pinapasok na kung ano-ano sa loob. Ano pong curler gamit mo? This is Babyliss. Ang tagal na sa akin na to. Bago pa ako umalis papuntang London, curler ko na to. So, siguro mga 7 or 8 years ko nang ginagamit to. So, pag gusto ko na malaki lang yung kulot, I use this. Tapos ganyan-ganyan lang. Hindi ko siya masyadong tinatagalan. Kaya pa ba ng ilaw? Okay. Have you seen Spit Manila shows or clips? I've seen clips. I wanted to watch a show the last time I was here. Pero parang, hindi ko alam kung walang schedule or ako yung hindi pwede. Please let me know if there are upcoming shows because I do want to watch. You know who I want to watch? I want to watch Red Olero live. Kasi sobrang naggalingan ako sa kanya. Favorite book? Oh, that's too hard. I don't have a favorite book kasi I've read so many books that I've fallen in love with, and parang the meaning of the books are different in different stages of my life. So parang unfair if I nominate certain books as my favorite. Okay, so yan lang siya, guys. Hindi ko naman masyadong kinalot. Ngayon galing natin yung taas. So, kung nandito si Ate Tess, pag si Ate Tess ang nagbuhok sa akin, i-blower niya muna to bago niya pulutin. So, kasi gusto niya makinis yung hair. Like, walang tutsang. But ako, I don't really care that much. Because I don't know why. Wala palang because. Bakit di po kayo share ni Kim ng room? I don't know. Wala naman pong walang masyadong, ang nag-share lang ng dressing room is Chang, Ami, and Kay. But everyone gets their own dressing room. Kasi syempre may mga gamit kami. Minsan yun, may dala kami makeup artist or staff or PAs actually, hindi na masyado din since the pandemic. Parang we realized, kasi nung pandemic, kailangan magbawas ng tao sa set, obviously, to lessen the risk of infection. So, we were all advised not to bring PAs muna sa mga movies namin or teleserye. So ngayon, naging independent kami. Parang na-realize namin, oh nga, kaya naman pala natin na tayo lang. So even Kim, pag nag-showtime, wala siyang kasamang PA. So lahat kami parang makeup artist or hairstylist ang kasama namin. Pasok!
Wala sa amin din.
Good morning po.
Morning po!
For lunch po.
Ay, thank you so much, Kuya. Kuya, may tubig ka ba?
Meron.
Salamat.
Ito ko na lang yan to.
Apa, thank you. Kuya, pabot naman ako isa. Ay, di, meron pala dito. Huwag na. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Mika Marcaida. Yes, Mika. I love Mika. Nagkita kami nung wedding ni Angge sa Siargao. But Mika lives in New York now, I think. So yeah, ayun. Kung tatapusin ko lang yung kwento kanina, kaya hindi nag-share usually ng dressing room is yun nga, kasi meron kaming mga kasamang ibang tao. So, yeah. Ay, hindi maganda yung kulot. Isa pa. Ayan. Anong color ng hair mo po? So, pinadark ko siya kay Ate Jen Hair Extensions. I love you guys. Pinadark ko siya. Tapos may dala akong peg from Pinterest ng highlights na gusto ko. And they achieved it so well. Ayan. So yeah, actually today lang ako walang kasama. Kasi wala nga si Ate Tess. Pero everyday na nandito ako sa Showtime. May kasama ka later, may kasama ako from Viva. Pero on the way pa lang siya. So there you have it. Yan lang yung hair natin for today. Kalma lang. Kabilang side. Natin daw siya. Parang hindi siya perfect. So yeah, kayo guys, anong pinagkakaabalan nyo today? Saan kayo nanonood ng live? Sa work ba? O sa bahay? Hi, Miss Bella, pa-shoutout po. I'm a fan sa movies ni JC Santos. Oh, thank you so much. Until when ka sa Showtime? As long as I don't have work yet, umuo naman ako palagi sa Showtime because I love being on Showtime. Ayan. So yeah, ayan. Preparing for monthly meeting. Oh my gosh, good luck. Bagay sa'yo ang clean girl makeup. Ano yung clean girl makeup? Paano siya gawin? What is? Who is? Where is? Okay. Ang hirap gawin ng kabilang side. Parang laging may isang side na nagsasuffer sa akin. Parang kung mas maganda to today, ito, wala. You have the best eyes. Thank you so much! Is Kimi wearing extensions too? I think so. I'm not sure right now. Guys, kakabalik ko lang from London. So, actually, hindi pa kami nagkita ni Kim kasi kakalapag niya lang din from the US. Ang first kita namin was Showtime yesterday. Tapos, I had to leave right away kasi may meeting ako. So, ang usap pa lang namin is like text. Like, hindi pa kami nagchichikahan. But yeah. Dito ako nanonood sa school. I'm a teacher and vacant. Ako now, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. I hope you have a great day today. And I hope your students are mabait. And saang school po kayo, ma'am? Puyat or nakatulog ka na po ba, Miss Bella? No, 2 hours lang ako natulog kagabi. Ikaw lang po nagsistyle sa hair mo? No. Like I said, paulit-ulit, I have a hair and makeup artist, but she has taping today for Lavender Field. So, I said na kaya ko muna. Kasi kaya ko naman talaga. Like, kaya, parang si Kimi din, she does her own makeup. Kasi Ate Heidi nag-hair sa kanya. Hala, naipit. Ayan. So, most artistas know how to fix their own hair and makeup. Kasi, minsan may mga out of town or out of the country show kami. Tapos, hindi namin kilala yung makeup team doon. So, kung mas comfortable na kami na lang, kami na lang. Yeah. Nood ako habang nag-iimpake ng online selling ko. Good luck. Meet Me in St. Gallen is my comfort movie. Thank you so much. That's very sweet. Meet Me in St. Gallen is in my top 3 favorite movies na ginawa ko. Like, lagi ko siyang... I always look back at that movie fondly. Also, the memories of shooting. Kasi, nung nag-shoot kami, may snowstorm sa St. Gallen. So, technically, mahirap siyang gawin. Ang hirap ng shoot namin. Pero, ako sobrang ako nag-enjoy. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya pantay. Like, mas kulot tong side na to kaysa dun sa isang side. Hindi ko alam anong ginawa ko na different. Sino to? Lemon, nasa dressing room, free ako. Halika na. So yeah, si Lemon ang aming isa sa mga boss namin sa marketing ng Viva. So, Lemon?
Hello.
Ayun nga ba sinasabi ko, Lemon? Pa-message ka pa sa live. And then nakita ko nag-text ka, kaso nagkukulat pa ako. Hindi mo na ako nag-reply. Si Kimi na ba yung sumisigaw? Ayan. I think ito na yun. Lemon, sorry. Inabala kita. Ano oras ka natulog kagabi?
Hindi naman, mga 1 siguro.
Oh my God, ano oras ako natulog? 4 a.m. Hindi, umuwi ako maaga 12. Nasa bahay na ako. Actually, 11:30. Nasa bahay na ako. Pero 12 ako nakatulog. Hindi ko na alam. Ay, 4 ako nakatulog.
4 na? Grabe.
Sobrang sakit ng mata ko right now. Like, dry na dry yung mata ko. Ayan. Nice to see you po sa John Hair Extensions last Friday. Thank you so much. Where can I watch Showtime? I want TFC. Yes, and also on GMA and also A to Z. And I think in-upload din ba Showtime sa YouTube? Kapamilya Online Live, yes. And YouTube ba? Nag-upload din after?
Okay, nag-upload
din.
Yes.
Ayan po. Alam mo ba si Ate Tess, pag mini-makeupan ako, pag nasa loob ako ng studio, di ba, may-makeupan niya muna ako. Pag studio, hindi na siya sumasama sa loob kasi nililigpit siya ng gamit. Pinapanood niya episode dito sa phone kasi gusto niya makita ko maayos yung makeup.
Naging live.
Oo. Tapos i-retouch niya kapag balik ko dito. Sabi niya, ay, kulang yung blush on mo, kinain ng ilaw. So, ayan. Yung mga natututunan ko kay Ate Tess. Kamusta ka naman? Ba't di ka sumama pag-gabi? Ito po si Lemon, ang kaibigan kong prutas. Ang kaibigan kong fruity.
Fruity, yes. Sino naman ko yung fruity?
Patakan mo ng refresh mata mo. Oo nga, kailangan. Refresh ba yung maanghang sa mata? Hindi.
Di ba Vicks?
Vicks sa mata? Girl, walang Vicks sa mata.
Refresh?
Hindi ko ba na-try yung
Paano mo
refresh?
blue?
Di ba yung sa Japan, pag pinatak mo, hindi mo mabuksan yung mata mo rito. Yung sobrang hapde. Okay, so meron. Actually, may dala ata akong pampatak kasi ang pula na niya. Oh.
Grabe na yung 4 Tapos anong oras ka nang dito?
4 a.m. kasi yung kuya ko tsaka yung wife niya pumunta sa bahay kagabi, nagkwentuhan kami. Napasarap yung kwentuhan. Inabot ng alas 4. So, iipit muna natin siya guys para hindi siya mag-flat. Ayan. Gawin muna natin. Tapos mamaya ko siya ibababa pag malapit na yung show. Okay. Hindi ko ma-figure out kung anong kulang. Naninipisan pa ako sa kanya right now. Pero mamaya may kita natin yan. Wala kasi si Ate Tekya, Lemon. Tapos kanina umaga ko lang na-realize. Kaya kanina umaga lang ako nag-text kay Ate Karel lang. Ate ko, pwede ba may sumama sa akin tiga Viva kasi mag-isa ako today.
Okay,
So, pasensya na talaga.
Hindi pa lang. Wala naman akong gagawin.
Talaga, wala. Hindi ka mag-Viva ngayon. Oo, kagabi. Anong gano'ng oras ka sa office eh. Sige, isplok mo. Sabihin mo.
Hindi,
Overtime ka kahapon na, di ba? Yun na lang gamitin nating term. Overtime. Overtime.
Hindi ba itong mga tubig dito?
Yeah, go. Tsaka may lunch. Kumuha ka ng lunch dyan. Blush by Makeup by Mario. Ito siya. It's so cutie and pink.
Yung blush?
So, make-upan kita. Kasi aga ko natapos mag-ayos eh.
Marami ko nga nagbukas ng APS eh.
Tingnan mo kanina pa yung ilaw na yung Lemon. Na-stress ako sa kanya. Eto, nagpapatay bukas. Yan yung sa likod mo. Tapos kanina, ito na yung namatay.
Hello.
So, niloko-loko ko lang yung sarili ko kanina pa. O, diba? Lemon, sino din alam mo
Hindi kasi motion sensor siya.
Social.
Oo.
So, sino yung dumadaan dito? Kanina ka pa nag-makeup ako.
Yun lang hindi ko masasagot sa ngayon. Pero motion sensor kasi.
Fave city or town in Europe? Hard to say. I love a lot. But right now, ang favorite ko is Vienna. So beautiful.
Hindi ba sausage yun?
Vienna sausage? Meron din. Sige. Podcast of Bella, please. Baka hindi soon.
Manood ka ng Limitless, guys.
Oh, yes. Oh my God. May nag-comment kanina na tuwan-tuwa sila sa inputs ni JC in live dun sa YouTube episode na. Sila po ang
1 year in the making po yun.
1 year in the making yun. Si Lemon ang nag-edit ng video na yun and my video with Kim also. Tawag nakita ang dami nagtatanong, wala ka pong hairspray. Ayoko nag-hairspray kasi nalalagkitan ako and nababahuan ako. So, this is a Muse. I also bought it in Korea. This is from Olive Young. So, para lang hindi dry. So, guys, ito na po yung makeup natin for today's video!
Okay. Ka. So,
taas na energy ko right now. Hindi ko alam kung bakit baliktad. But yeah. Anyway, guys, magpapaalam na ako kasi hinahanap na tayo ni Rigor. Rigor! Ang dami ko nakitang bagong video na nakaka-Rigor.
Ngayon pa lang lumutaw sa
Oo, siguro kasi ngayon ako dumating sa Pilipinas. Puro Rigor yung bakit puro Rigor? Ganon. Rigor. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin Rigor.
Hindi eh. May accent.
Uy, si Lemon may angle na Ryan Agoncillo.
Grabe naman. Cadaver cuts na tayo dito.
Wrong show, pero sige. Wrong show, wrong network, but okay. Yeah, ito po si Ryan Agoncillo ng Showtime.
Hello.
Sup? So yeah, Lemon works with me in Viva. He's our marketing and also BF niyo po ba yung sa likod? Paano? Hindi po ako type ni Lemon.
Rigor?
Si Rigor po ang type ni Lemon. No, I work with Lemon. So yeah. Kanina pa yung part 2 po ba yung may part 2 po ba 100 tula para kay Stella? Hindi ko alam. Dapat meron, pero hindi pa rin natutuloy. So, si Lemon na po ang makakasagot niyan.
Maawa naman ka kay Fidel.
Hirap na siya ng 1. Gagawa pa tayo ng 2.
200 na naman siya.
Buong college niya sinulat yung tula eh. So, paano? Mula first year hanggang 4th year niya sinulat yung sendang tula. Grabe po si Rigor. Si Rigor pa rin! 100 tula para kay Rigor. Bakit kasi ganun yung tono pag sinasabi Rigor? Pataas.
Oo, may
Ganun talaga.
accent. Oo. Rigor.
Rigor? Hindi pa kasi ako nakakanood ng
Bili mo
episode.
muna ng liempo, Rigor.
Bili mo ko ng liempo?
Oo,
Bakit?
meron siyang scene na gano'n eh. Nagpapabili siya ng liempo kay Rigor.
Dahil? Bakit liempo?
Kasi nga buntis siya, naglilihi siya.
Ang pinaglihian niya, liempo?
Oo.
Ganda. Ah,
Naku.
kamukha niya si Dennis Trillo. Diyos ko, ang dami naman kamukha
Grabe
ni
naman.
Lemon. Lemon tree. Ano ba yan? Sneakers or sandals? Both. Ayoko ng heels. Mag-showtime ka ba today? Yes! Nandito po tayo sa showtime.
Hindi po naka-makeup lang po talaga siya sa...
Sa studio ng showtime, sa dressing room. Naki-makeup lang ako, tapos uuwi na ako para maligo. Magpabango muna tayo kasi... Ate Bella, hindi ka po nagsisetting spray. Hindi din. Ayoko din nagsisetting spray sa mukha. Unless endorsement shoot. Like, pag photo shoot, sige, magsisetting spray ako. But, pag ganito-ganito lang, hindi na. Hindi na. See you on Showtime, Momsy Bells. Yes, see you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am gonna be his myself. And, may maaga pa, mamaya pa. Pero yeah, bye! Laman, paalam ka na. Ryan Agoncillo.
Bye, lover. That's just...
Kainis. Please watch Showtime!